This was another successful season for the Spartaks this year. At our first district event, the Westtown event, we were the #1 ranked team out of the entire event. We made it to the semifinals, and unfortunately we got eliminated, but we still came home with the Motorola Quality Award, just like we got last year. At our next district event, the Seneca district event, we were the 4th ranked team and got bumped up to 3rd place due to alliance selection picking, and we ended up winning the event and bringing home again another Motorola Quality Award. And with all the success that season, we were able to once again qualify for the district championship at Stabler Arena, but unfortunately, due to some complications at the event, we did not end up qualifying for the World Championship. Nonetheless, I am still extremely proud with how the team did this year. Albeit my senior year, it's my last year on the team. It's unfortunate that we didn't get to go back to the World Championship again, but still coming back with a win my last year on the team, extremely happy that that happened. And with all the experience that I've learned from this team for the past 4 years, I was accepted into the College of Engineering at Penn State Lehigh Valley and also accepted to the College of Engineering at Penn State Harrisburg.
Hi, my name is John Pipperato. I'm a computer science and math teacher here at the high school. This is my first year helping out with the robotics team, and I honestly can say I've learned so much from it. I'm really proud of the students and all that they've accomplished throughout the year and how much hard work and time and dedications they put into it. Thank you to all our sponsors, and I really look forward to next year.
Despite this being my first year on the team, I easily found a job that was interesting to me. Learning all the necessary information was an enjoyable challenge and easily allowed me to learn new programming techniques. I was a part of creating the robot code this year, and it helped me learn Java, which was important to me also teaching other people how to code the robot code for future years. Another important project we did this year was creating the Scouting app, which is necessary to collect data at competitions.
I'm Mr. Zacher, and I serve as a family and consumer sciences educator and work as the Spartaks robotics team coach. Working with the Spartaks this year has been an amazing experience like no other. Last year I chaperoned the Mid-Atlantic Championship at Lehigh University and got hooked on FIRST robotics and how it really benefits these students. Being one of the lead coaches this year has been a learning experience for sure, but one I truly enjoyed. Working with a group of such intrinsically motivated students who give 120% each day and always strive for excellence is any teacher's dream. Meeting for upwards of 25 hours per week, outside of school hours, on weekends and nights, shows the team's true dedication to STEM education and our school district. The Spartaks are fine examples for other students to follow. I can't wait to see what the future holds for the team this year and the following years to come, and I know the future will be bright.
As a member of the Drive team for the past 2 years, I've learned an abundance about personal responsibility and teamwork. You may often end up with robots that are doing things that require you to do something you're usually not used to doing. So you have to be extremely versatile so you can do anything that your teammates require you to do in order to succeed in a match. So this information really applies to almost anything you do in life, not just robotics. So it could apply to group activities or even a future career path. So I think what I've learned here on this team is just so important to my future.
I'm Rich Sadler. I'm a mechanical engineer and have been a mentor for the Spartaks for the past 2 years since retiring from Lockheed Martin. I think I get as much from working with the team as I give helping the kids. It's rewarding to see the growth of team members under the pressure to build a robot in only 6 weeks. I find this more intense than getting the Lockheed satellites done in time for the launch window of the rocket carrying them. The FIRST program helps me keep my skills sharp while training the next generation of engineers. Given our team's limited resources, we made a very capable robot in 2018, and the results speak for themselves. First seed at the Westtown Regional and winner of Seneca. We are up against teams with full in-school machine shops at their disposal. I've been using the lathe and small mill in my home shop to make parts we couldn't fab at Southern Lehigh's wood shop. We would love to involve the students in more of the processes. However, with our limited resources, I have been filling in the gaps. I worked with another FIRST robotics team previously, and with some of their tools, our team would flourish. We hope that in the future we can teach the students some of these valuable wood and metalworking skills to see the robot creation from start to finish.
My first year on the robotics team was a lot of fun, but it was also a great learning experience. I was able to learn a lot of things like wiring and how to use tools. In my first year, we were able to win an event and go to the MAR championship. I believe that this team is made up of a lot of great people who work very hard to make a great robot and a great season. I hope that next year we will be able to win another district event and eventually make it to Worlds. I look forward to my following years on the team.
Hello, my name is Eric Knaus. I'm one of the mentors here on the robotics team. This is my 13th year on the team. The first 4 years I spent on the team, I was a student. I got to learn all kinds of different experiences being president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer throughout my time here. I went to college for mechanical engineering because of the robotics team. And now I'm working at a company doing mechanical engineering and doing all kinds of design work for people out in the field. We're designing all kinds of new tools for the utility vehicles. So everything that happened in Puerto Rico and stuff like that, we're helping them out with the disasters that happened in Puerto Rico. The robotics team is really helping me throughout my career.
Being on the team has really helped me grow as a person. I've gained so much experience and improved on my teamwork and communication skills, all the way to my time management skills. I joined the team my freshman year, and now in my junior year, I'm the current vice president of the robotics team. Since my early years on the team, I have gained experience in engineering design, programming, wiring, and manufacturing skills. Being on the robotics team has really shaped who I am and gave me a place to learn and embrace my technological talents. This year's challenge for the first robotics competition game in 2018 was First Power Up. This game included 2 alliances of video game characters and their human operators stuck in an arcade game. Both alliances are working to defeat the boss in order to escape. And without the full support from our coaches, mentors, sponsors, and our school's administration that make everything here possible on the first robotics team 834, the Spartex from Southern Lehigh Senior High School, the students, including myself, send a huge thanks for allowing us to do what we do, building robots.